Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing the roof of the house beautifully. I will draw the line for that. I am drawing a chimney. The roof of the side of the house. I'm marking the lower parts of the house, so I'm drawing lines. I draw a window. Drawing a beautiful door. Drawing round window. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am giving the entire roof of the pink house a beautiful look. The entire wall of clay is giving off a sky blue color. On the side wall of the yellow house, red color in door. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!